Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today we'll walk you through the process of creating and managing contacts on the Arkesel platform. Whether you're looking to streamline your communication or manage your business contacts, Arkesel has got you covered. So, let's dive right in. To get started, log into your Arkesel account and head over to the Contacts section. Here, you'll see an option to create a new contact list. Simply give your list a name, something that's easy to remember and relevant to your needs. Once you've named your list, go ahead and add it to your phone book for easy access. Once your contact list is set up, you can start adding numbers to it. Locate the contact list within your phone book, and you'll notice an action button associated with it. Click on that button and choose the option to import contacts. On the Import Contact page, you'll have the option to upload an Excel file containing your contacts. Don't worry. We've provided a sample Excel file for you to download. This sample file follows the acceptable format for storing data on Arkesel. This way, you'll have a clear idea of how to structure your own contact list. There are 6 columns in total provided in the sample file. The required columns and optional columns. First, the phone number column. This is a required column in the Arkesel system. It holds the data of your recipient contact numbers. Secondly, the email, first, and last name columns. They hold the email address and full name of your recipient. These are optional columns, but to better manage your contacts, Arkesel recommends you have them provided. Next, the date of birth and company columns, all of which are optional columns. They hold the recipient's birth date and company associated with them. Now, let's move on to uploading our Excel file. After uploading your Excel file, it's time to map the columns. Arkesel needs to know which column in your Excel file holds each piece of information, like the phone number. Take a moment to match the columns correctly. For instance, identify the column in your Excel file that holds the contact phone number. Once you've mapped the columns correctly, you're almost there. Double-check your mappings to ensure accuracy. And when you're confident everything's in place, hit that Add button. Congratulations, you've successfully created a new contact list with your desired contacts. Thank you for watching this video tutorial on how to create and manage contacts using the Arkesel system. If you have further questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Have a great day.